Here in Cape Town, we always have a jacket nearby for in case this cool breeze blows. But I know you guys have been melting during heatwave conditions in Gauteng and eastern South Africa. You might be asking, when can we expect any relief? Don't hold your breath, but here's the forecast. Typical of spring, look at this extreme contrast in temperatures across South Africa. On Tuesday, it was quite cool over the coastal areas and in KwaZulu-Natal, but sizzling hot during heatwave conditions over the northeastern areas, with temperatures soaring close to 40 degrees. And we are expecting heatwave conditions to continue up until Friday over the entire Gauteng, parts of northwest, the Bushveld, as well as the Highveld of Mpumalanga and the extreme northern areas of the Free State. Can we expect any relief from this heat? Well, only isolated thunderstorms in the forecast over KwaZulu-Natal on Wednesday and parts of Mpumalanga. A very slight chance of a few thunderstorms bubbling up over the Highveld, but they'll most likely only tease us and quickly move away. In the Western Cape, a northwesterly wind expected over the coastal areas, maximum temperatures remaining in the lower 20s. A chilly afternoon for Worcester, Robertson, Swellendam and Laingsburg. Later, some high-level cloud moving over the Western Cape with temperatures in the mid-20s over the interior. Quite cool over the southern coastline, only 19 in George, 18 in Plettenberg Bay. A cool onshore southwesterly wind expected in Nelson Mandela Bay, but quickly heating up over the interior of the Eastern Cape. 30 degrees in Kumani, 29 in Highveld North. A northeasterly wind blowing along the coast with 23 degrees in East London as well as Port St. John's. Also, northeasterly wind for KwaZulu-Natal, quickly heating up the afternoon, and then isolated thunderstorms are likely over the interior. And after a hot day, a few thunderstorms also expected over Newcastle and Vryheid. After another hot day, a few heat-induced thunderstorms possible over Mpumalanga will most likely bring a little rain and quickly move away and becoming hot in the Lowveld. Another scorcher for the Bushveld during heatwave conditions, a northeasterly wind picking up, therefore runaway fires at risk. Another extremely hot, dry and windy day for northwest. We still have a high fire danger in place for Wednesday, with temperatures soaring to the mid and upper 30s. In the Northern Cape, an onshore southerly wind is still cooling down at the coastal areas, high-level cloud overhead and becoming hot over the interior as well as the northern areas. Dusty at times as the wind picks up in the Free State on Wednesday. Extremely hot over the northern areas and isolated thunderstorms are likely over the eastern part. It's another very hot day for Gauteng during heatwave conditions. A few degrees cooler compared to Tuesday, but still very hot the afternoon at 32 in Johannesburg, and in heatwave conditions soaring to 34 in Pretoria. Into Thursday, a cold front making landfall, bringing light rain for the Western Cape and isolated showers expected over KwaZulu-Natal. Still hot in the east, and then the final day of heatwave conditions on Friday for northeastern South Africa, and then finally a few isolated thunderstorms might bring some relief to the heat here and there over parts of Gauteng as well as Mpumalanga. Well, that's all from me, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.